everyone. My name is Sanjeevni. I'm a student of Faculty of Law and I'll be your mentor for DULLB. If you're watching this video right now, I think this is the best time to start your preparation for 6 to 7 months to prepare for this exam. If we go by last year's timetable, then we can expect the exam to be somewhere conducted around including March. Now, since you have ample amount of time, I believe, for this exam, a strategy needs to be built out for this exam. So in this session, we will help you with building a strategy for the next 6 months for CUET PG. Now let's see what subjects are we tackling. We are tackling English, then we have quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, computer basics, and general knowledge. So these are the five subjects that we're dealing with, and we need to have a different preparation strategy for all of these subjects. So we are going to go subject wise so that you have a better plan in mind for the next 6 months. Now, let's first begin with how many months do we have to cover the syllabus. See, 6 months ka matlab ye nahi that the 6 months that you have are going to be dedicated to rote learning the syllabus and whatever there is in the syllabus. You have to cover your syllabus in the first 4 months only. And the rest of the 2 months, you have to dedicate them to practice in order to score high in the exam. Completion of syllabus is extremely necessary. Why? Because see, if you want an average आप syllabus complete किए बिना चले जाते हैं तो syllabus completion तो जरूरी है, but उसके साथ साथ सिर्फ पढ़ना जरूरी नहीं है syllabus को. We also have to practice so that we are in touch with the syllabus and in touch with subjects that require practice, like logical reasoning require practice, your vocabulary needs to be updated, current affairs need to be taken care of, एंड मैथ्स अगर आपका वीक पॉइंट है मैथ्स और आपने कभी भी मैथ्स इस तरीके से नहीं करी है जिस तरीके की एग्जाम में आती है, तो मैथ्स में भी आपको प्रैक्टिस की बहुत जरूरत है. इसलिए रफली 4 मंथ्स आपको लगेंगे. आई एम प्रिज्यूमिंग अगर आप सितंबर से प्रिपेयर करना शुरू करते हैं तो जनवरी तक का आपका, या जनवरी दिसंबर तक का समवेयर उसी अराउंड आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. और बाकी जो 2 मंथ्स है उसमें हम रिविजन कर सकते हैं, हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, वी कैन टेक mocks, we can increase the frequency of mocks. Now, this is an important question: which subject to deal with first, easy or difficult subjects? See, how do you prepare for this exam? What is the first thing that you do for this exam is you understand the syllabus. And once you have done that, you begin by taking a mock for this. It's necessary right in the beginning of this exam so that you know what your weak areas are. इसीलिए mock लेना extremely necessary है. We will be soon launching a sample mocks that's available for free on our website, on NLTR's website. So you can go take that mock for free and then analyze what your weak areas are. कहाँ पे को आपको problem हो रही है और कहाँ कौन से ऐसे areas हैं जो आप smoothly कर पा रहे हैं, right? जब आप mock ले उसका analysis जरूर करें. Now this mock, like I said, you must take it. It closely mirrors the real-time exam. And once you have taken the mock, just analyze. You would, in the course of taking the mock, so you begin by practicing or starting with your weak areas first, and strong areas को at least आप 1 month के लिए तो ignore कर सकते हैं. I'm not saying that you have to completely ignore your strong areas. That is not to be done. But weak areas से हम अगर शुरुआत करते हैं, then we have ample amount of time to take that weak area to the strong area, as in with be it quantitative aptitude or logical reasoning or English for that matter. Take that area from weak to strong. Okay, so it totally depends on you. If you're someone who's well versed with English and you have been using English in your day to day life, I'm sure you won't find the syllabus of English very difficult to deal with. Grammar आप already कर चुके होंगे, vocabulary आपकी over the course of period ठीक होगी. There's certain things that you need to work on, but English is not something that you will struggle with if you're well versed with the subject. But if you're someone who feels like you need to work on your grammar and English is not your forte, then you must begin with English. If you feel like math is something which is daunting you or which you find very daunting, then maths is something that you should deal with first. So our basically motto is that we strong areas, and for that you need ample amount of time to work on your weak areas. So right from September onwards, once you take the mock and analyze आपके weak areas क्या है, then you can work on converting your weak areas to your strong areas. Coming to English, now English is a subject that a lot of people find it very easy, and for some it's very difficult. Your English, how converses in English, or someone who has basic knowledge of grammar or connect होने वाला है. But if you're someone who struggles with English, if you struggle with forming sentences, if you struggle with a correct grammar usage, then English is something that you should keep in mind. Someone who, in fact, I would suggest it for every this exam. You've made up your mind that you want to take this exam. Let's do it nicely. Let's do it with full fledgedly, right? So for English, the first thing that I would suggest is read newspapers. Why reading newspaper is very important? Because न्यूज़पेपर रीड करने से एक होती है रीड करने की, दूसरा आपके काफी सेक्शंस कवर्ड हो जाते हैं बाय इनफैक्ट अगर if you leave editorials also, although I wouldn't suggest leaving editorials, they're extremely important, but along with English you can also cover current affairs from your newspapers. Not just current affairs but critical reasoning also, for which you will have to ultimately read editorials. So begin by reading editorials, and if you're someone who struggles with English, then newspapers is your holy grail. Inculcate a habit of reading newspaper, उससे you will realize कि आपकी grammar भी काफी हद तक improve हो रही है, आपको sentence construction में काफी मदद मिल रही है. इस वजह से आप newspaper read करने की habit inculcate कीजिए. I would suggest just two newspapers to you, although whichever newspaper suits you, जो आपको CUET-PG. Coming to the syllabus of CUET-PG, English, we have these subjects, right? English grammar, English usage errors, and whatever you can see on your screen. Now, see, like I said, if you're well versed with English, you won't find a lot of problems in the first 5 to 6 topics. And if you're someone who faces problems in correct grammar usage and sentence construction and correction, then I must suggest these 3 books to you. First is Renan Martin. इसमें basic high school English से related modules हैं, तो आप इसे रेफर कर सकते हैं. काफी इजी बुक है और आपको रियलाइज होगा in the course of 6 months that this book has improved your grammar by a large extent अगर आप diligently follow करते हैं तो. Otherwise, if you're someone who is well versed with English and you don't find it very difficult to comprehend or to speak, then you can skip this part. You can skip basic high school English, but these 3 topics, one word substitution, synonyms and पूछे जाते हैं और लर्न करने की जरूरत होती है. इसके लिए आप सिंगल की बुक रेफर कर सकते हैं, इसमें काफ़ी पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स से synonyms, antonyms, one word substituting that in our module as well if you're enrolled with us. So if you're not, then you can consider single भी cover की गई है जिसमें synonyms, antonyms, idioms and phrases, one word substitution सब दिया गया है. Then आते हैं quantitative aptitude में. Quantitative aptitude uh, is the pain area for most students. I think with the introduction of CUET PG, it has become even worse, but we have to deal with it. Quantitative aptitude, they don't ask you SSC level of questions or CSET level of questions, the basic questions, but you need to be, आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस आने ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट आपको ज़रूरी है कि आप उन क्वेश्चंस को टाइम में करें. तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो की with regards to quantitative aptitude. A lot of students tend to waste a lot of time in tackling with one kind of question, and that results in their that results in a lot of panic, and towards the end you find that you have missed out on a lot of questions. You don't want to be doing that. See, these are the topics that we have to cover. ये आपके syllabus से ही लिए गए topics है. So these are the topics, but I won't say कि इसमें से सारे topics बहुत ज़्यादा important है. इनमें से कुछ topics हैं जो आपको करके जाने हैं. तो इन टॉपिक्स के ये जो टॉपिक्स हैं इनमें से हमने मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स निकाले हैं आपके लिए. दीज आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स दैट नीड योर स्पेशल अटेंशन. Why do I say that they need your special attention? Let's take an example. Let's take profit and loss. Now, if a question pops up from profit and loss, I expect you to be able to solve that no matter how difficult it is. And how will that happen? See, one major mistake that students make is that वो बस एक conceptual clarity ले लेते हैं जो कि extremely important है. वो तो है ही, but that is not sufficient. You should be able to do the 6 to 8 questions alone. So you should be able to do all 6 to 8 kinds of questions. Now, how does that happen? That only happens with practice. You can take mocks for it. You can refer to books for it. There are umpteen number of books for high school maths. So for these topic, I would say that in topics में से कोई भी question आ जाए किसी भी kind का, for example time and work है, time and work से ही कम से कम 10 kinds of questions can be framed. When I'm saying kinds of question, the 10 kinds of questions that can be framed from time and distance, and you should be able to do all 10 kinds of question, because what happens is when you superficially read the topic, तुम्हें अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो होती है ऑफ द टॉपिक, बट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो पाता है. और हमें क्वेश्चन लाइक आई सेड सिर्फ सॉल्व नहीं करना है, हमें उसे टाइम में सॉल्व करना है. You have 75 questions and you have 105 minutes, right? Which means you have 1.4 minute for every question. Now कुछ questions हैं जैसे GK, current affairs, computer और for that matter English के भी questions हैं, वो आपको उसके लिए एक मिनट नहीं लगेगा. Either you know it or you don't know it. But for maths, a certain calculation needs to be done. So we don't want to be wasting a lot of questions, and making sure that you're able to do them on time is key to this exam. Coming to books to be referred for maths. Now, these are the two books that I would suggest. One is by R.S. Agrawal and one is 30 Days Wonder by S. Chand. These are two very good books. इनमें से आप कोई भी एक refer कर सकते हैं, and that would suffice. Coming to logical reasoning. Now, logical reasoning can be divided into verbal reasoning or general mental ability, जिसमें आपके series वाले होते हैं, और फिर आपके आता है logical deduction, जैसे series हो गया, blood relation हो गया, ये सारे आपके जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी के क्वेश्चंस है. There are books for it. In our mentorship program, we will be basically focusing on how to inculcate your aptitude. So we will be laying special focus on critical reasoning and logical deduction kind about aptitude building की ज़रूरत है. Otherwise, if you're not enrolled with any coaching, then there are a few books that I would suggest. One is by R.S. Agrawal, that is your logical reasoning by R.S. Agrawal, and then the other one is by S. Chand. Right? These are the topics that you have to cover. Like I said, इसमें से bifurcation has to be made, जो कि जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी के बीच होगा और लॉजिकल डिडक्शन या क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग के बीच होगा. Like you can see topics, statement and conclusion, statement arguments, where you have to infer certain things from the statements given to you. These are the kind of questions that come under logical deduction, basically deducing a certain thing from the statements given to you. Right? And the rest are general ability questions like direction tests and matrix arrangement, ranking test, so on and so forth. Coming to general knowledge का भी हम bifurcation कर रहे हैं स्टैटिक जीके और करंट अफेयर्स में. स्टैटिक जीके के लिए एक डेफिनेट सिलेबस दिया गया है सीयूटी पीजी की वेबसाइट पे, जिसमें कि टॉपिक्स ranging from history to geography to your important personalities, all of these topics are covered. Also releases a GK compendium. You can also refer to that, but I will stress upon making your own notes, because last moment exam के कुछ final moments से पहले you want to be revising all those notes, and that is why reading newspaper and going through GK compendiums. The compendium that we release is completely free, so you can access that. For static GK, I would say जो syllabus दिया गया है उसे आप रेफर कीजिए. उसके लिए ब्लैक बुक आती है, जैसे that is for SSC aspirants, but you can also black book for general awareness is covered in that book. So note all of these sources. Black book for general awareness, it is an extremely important book. You can refer to that for static GK. Right? Now computer basics, it's a fairly easy topic और काफी नया भी है. कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स के लिए भी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स दिए गए हैं. सब पे आपको बहुत फोकस नहीं करना है. रफली 5 to 8 क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स के. बट उसके लिए जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं वो ये हैं. कंप्यूटर एब्रीविएशन, शॉर्टकट कीज तो एग्जाम में पूरी भरी होती हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर, टाइप्स ऑफ वायरसेस, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स है. ये आप इंटरनेट से भी कर सकते हैं या किसी बेसिक बुक, सिंगल की बुक में भी है ये. बट इंटरनेट इज you can also rely on internet sources and websites. So computer can be easily tackled with, or these are the 6 important topics that you have to keep in mind, because roughly 5, like I said, 5 to 8 questions आते हैं. तो बहुत आपको कंप्यूटर पे फोकस नहीं करना है, बट हाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि इसे बिल्कुल ही इग्नोर कर देना है. आप टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन समवेयर इन नवंबर यू कैन पिक अप दिस सब्जेक्ट, और वहां से आप नोट्स बनाना शुरू कर सकते हैं, एंड देन कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग दोस नोट्स इन द लास्ट 2 months of your preparation. Now here are a few bonus points for you, and these are key things that you have to keep in mind before preparing for this exam. The first and foremost thing is that please prepare and practice with a positive mindset. अभी से सोच लीजिए कि आपका हो रहा है. Like I said, it's a rather easy exam. It's not an exam that is not crackable. It's very crackable, but you need to have a positive mindset. You need to analyze mindset. Don't be disheartened अगर आपके mock scores कभी अच्छे नहीं आते या stagnation होता है. We are there to help you, and during the course of your preparation there will be moments of highs and lows. So I would suggest that you prepare and practice with a positive mindset. It's a rather doable exam. Don't think that it's not doable. There are ample amount of seats, and if you're beginning right now, you have ample amount of time. Make use of this time. Work hard, and to keep takes throughout these 6 months. You cannot ignore this part. This is a key point, and please don't ignore this. Mocks solve करना इस एग्जाम के लिए extremely important है, और ना कि of taking a mock is redundant if you don't analyze your mock. So take mocks and analyze those mocks. In our mentorship course, we will be laying special focus on taking mocks and analysis, right? And like I suggested you, only one book, like fixate your sources. Multiplicity of sources also leads to a lot of confusion. जो मैंने बुक सजेस्ट करी हैं सारी आपको नहीं पढ़नी है, उनमें से एक बुक आप कोई भी पिकअप कर लीजिए और फिर stick to that book. They're good books and that's sufficient for you. And the next thing is focus on time management. Ever since CUET PG introduce हुआ है, DULLB में काफी objective one word kind of questions आते थे, जहाँ पे को आपका टाइम बहुत ज्यादा नहीं जाता था, इस वजह से जल्दी पेपर हो जाता था. बट a special focus has to be laid on time management, and that is why time management is extremely important. See, 6 months are there. You have ample amount of time. You got this, and start preparing for the exam. The things that I've told you to keep in mind and the books that I have suggested to you, refer to those books and you'll be good to go.